Welcome to the Amazon tropical rainforest. It is one of the most rich and diverse ecosystems on the planet. Nature here displays all of its magnificent grandeur. There are giant trees rising tall, reaching up toward the sky. In contrast, the mighty Amazon River flows powerfully through the lush vegetation. In this wild environment, animals live in a delicate balance between predator and prey. Large cats like jaguars stealthily stalk their prey in the shadows of the forest. While colorful birds such as long-tailed parrots soar freely across the open sky. But don't be deceived by the outward beauty of this place. Danger lurks in every corner. Whether it's a venomous snake hidden among the dry leaves or a brightly colored poisonous frog camouflaged within the moist undergrowth. Wildlife is nature's masterpiece, uniquely adapted to thrive in this lush environment. From the capuchin monkeys swinging gracefully from branch to branch, to the pink dolphins gliding elegantly through the river's waters, every creature here plays a vital role in the web of life. So as we step into this magical forest, it is essential to always remember to respect and protect this natural sanctuary. The beauty and grandeur of the Amazon are precious gifts that we must preserve for generations to come. As you take in the vast green expanse of the forest and listen to the sounds of nature all around, allow yourself to be fully immersed in this wild and magnificent world, where life flourishes in every corner and the beauty of nature is revealed in its fullest glory. Today's episode, The Wild Amazon Jungle. We begin our exciting journey in search of this elusive jaguar. This is one of the most majestic animals in the Amazon rainforest. As it ventures into the Amazon River, the jaguar displays its full agility and swiftness, swimming with graceful power and ease. With its coat patterned in black and golden spots, this creature blends perfectly into the dense foliage and thick vegetation. It's truly impressive how this big cat can adapt to such varied environments, whether roaming the dry, rugged forest floor or navigating the rushing waters of the river. The jaguar is truly the queen of the jungle, a symbol of strength and beauty that deserves both protection and admiration. This is the toucan, a bird commonly found at the forest's edge and within its depths. This bird is certainly well known for its long and colorful beak. It's fascinating to observe how this physical feature plays a crucial role in its survival in the wild. With such a long beak, the toucan can reach fruits and other foods in hard-to-access places, ensuring a steady supply of nourishment in its natural habitat. It's hard to believe how carefully the Creator crafts such wonders. The toucan is a captivating example of the rich and unique biodiversity found in the Amazon rainforest. Macaws are brightly colored birds that also inhabit the Amazon rainforest. They gather in flocks as they fly in search of food. These birds are known for their unique behavior of seeking out mountain salt licks, which provide essential minerals to keep them healthy and thriving. Observing these birds in their natural habitat is a unique experience that allows us to connect deeply with the lushness of nature and reflect on the vital importance of environmental conservation. They form lifelong monogamous pairs, living together forever. There are many species of wildcats in the Amazon rainforest. One of them is the margay, a fascinating and captivating wildcat species. Their agility and strength are truly impressive, making them formidable predators in the wild. With its rusty brown coat, the margay blends perfectly into its environment, becoming almost invisible to its prey. Conserving the margay is not only about protecting wildlife, but also about maintaining the ecological balance of the ecosystem. Amidst the vastness of the Amazon River, the capybara moves along with calm and ease. This species has an aquatic lifestyle, which is why they prefer to stay in the water. They are the largest rodents in the world, living in large social groups with nimble feet and keen eyes. It moves along the riverbank in search of lush vegetation. While foraging, the capybara remains constantly alert to potential dangers lurking in the forest. It knows it must always stay vigilant to protect itself from predators in the area and ensure its survival. So the capybara follows its path, making the most of the natural resources around it. Its presence reflects the harmony and interdependence among living creatures within this unique and precious ecosystem. In the Amazon tropical rainforest, the tapir is the largest land mammal in the region. With a sturdy body and short legs, they move gracefully among the trees and dense bushes of the forest in search of food. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, roots, and aquatic plants, making them an important part of the ecological balance within the ecosystem. Tapirs are herbivores that graze throughout the day, consuming large amounts of vegetation to meet their nutritional needs. Its presence in the forest helps with seed dispersal and fertilizes the soil, contributing to vegetation regeneration and supporting biodiversity. The agouti is a medium-sized rodent that also inhabits the Amazon. They hide among the foliage to search for food and to shelter from predators. They have brown fur, small curious eyes, and are always alert to the sounds and movements around them. In the forest, every day is a battle for survival. They need to find food, water, and shelter to protect themselves from the weather and the dangers lurking in their environment. Although small and seemingly fragile, they have the ability to camouflage among the leaves and branches due to their lightness. In the Amazon rainforest, the round-necked tapir is an omnivorous animal, feeding on a variety of foods ranging from fruits and roots to vegetables and small animals. They are known for their agility and ability to move swiftly through the forest. Food in the Amazon rainforest is a matter of survival for all the creatures that live there. The competition for resources is fierce, and each animal must find its own way to forage and survive. Observing these animals in their natural habitat is a unique and rewarding experience. The peccary, a type of wild pig, also inhabits the Amazon region. These animals are known to live in herds, forming true communities within the forest. They are highly intelligent and adaptable animals, capable of moving swiftly through the dense vegetation of the Amazon rainforest in search of fruits, roots, and other food sources. Living peacefully along the Amazon River is the giant otter. An aquatic predator that swims, plays, and, of course, feeds mainly on fish, which is the primary food source for this mammal. The giant otter is a skilled hunter, capable of diving deep and catching the fastest fish in a fair competition, one it almost always wins. The black caiman is a large carnivorous animal that inhabits the waters of the Amazon River. This impressive reptile can grow up to 6 meters in length. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, the caiman is one of the top predators in the region. Hunting fish, birds, and even mammals that come close to the water's edge. There it calmly watches the birds foraging nearby. With its thick, tough skin, it swims calmly through the river. The bushmaster snake is the largest venomous snake in Brazil and primarily inhabits the tropical rainforest. Despite its impressive size and reputation as one of the most dangerous snakes in the country, the bushmaster snake plays an important role in controlling the population of small animals. That is the Bothrops jararaca, the most dangerous snake in Brazil. This snake is dangerous because it is responsible for the majority of snakebite incidents, accounting for up to 90% of cases. This species is known for its potent venom and perfect camouflage, making it nearly invisible in its natural habitat. The camouflage ability of the Bothrops jararaca is so effective that even experienced snake spotters often fail to detect it. Therefore, it is crucial to always stay alert and cautious when venturing into areas where this creature may be present. This is the green anaconda, the largest snake in Brazil. As an aquatic species, this fish is impressive not only for its size, reaching up to 6.36 meters long, but also for its powerful constriction ability. This snake is capable of preying on large animals like caimans, which it kills by constriction before swallowing whole. This hunting method is extremely effective and showcases the incredible adaptability and intelligence of this species. Therefore, it is important that we learn to respect and protect these incredible creatures, ensuring they can continue to play their vital roles in nature. This is the largest freshwater scaled fish in the Amazon, primarily found in the Amazon River. With an impressive size, it can grow over 3 meters long and weigh more than 200 kilograms. The pirarucu is truly a unique fish. Its robust appearance and shiny scales make it easily recognizable. However, due to overfishing and the destruction of its natural habitat, the pirarucu has faced serious challenges to its survival. Conservation programs and sustainable management efforts have been implemented to protect this species and ensure its preservation for future generations. An intriguing animal living in the waters of the Amazon River is the electric fish, also known as the electric eel. This fish can generate an electric discharge of up to 850 volts, making it one of the strongest electric animals in the world. The electric eel uses this electric discharge not only to defend itself from predators, but also to hunt prey, making it one of the most dangerous animals in the Amazon. The Amazon piranha is a fascinating creature, well known for its ferocity and voracious appetite. They live in the rivers of the Amazon, where they play an essential role in the aquatic ecosystem. This fish is considered a dangerous species. It feeds on smaller fish, aquatic insects, and even dead or injured animals that enter the water, helping to maintain the natural balance of the aquatic environment. In some rivers of the Amazon River dolphin still survives. This is an incredible species, but unfortunately, it is threatened with extinction due to illegal hunting and the destruction of its natural habitat. It's sad to think that such a majestic and unique creature could disappear forever. It deserves to be protected and conserved. The sloth, an animal famous for being slow and calm. This is an incredible species, but unfortunately it is threatened with extinction due to illegal hunting and the destruction of its natural habitat. Their slow metabolism allows them to move extremely slowly, spending most of their time hanging from tree branches, eating leaves and resting. For the sloth, time seems to flow differently. While the world around moves swiftly, it maintains its own pace, untouched by the rush of everyday life. His peaceful and contemplative life serves as a reminder of the importance of slowing down, cherishing the small moments, and living in harmony with nature. As the world around you keeps spinning at a frantic pace, the sloth moves steadily, unwavering and calm. But the sloth faces a deadly threat, the powerful harpy eagle. The largest eagle in Brazil. With an impressive wingspan of up to 2 meters, it is truly a majestic creature and a skilled predator. Its sharp eyes and razor-sharp talons are signs of its agility and strength in the wild. Her presence strikes fear into many creatures, as she is a ruthless predator, always on the hunt for her next prey. The harpy eagle is a magnificent creature worthy of respect, a true marvel of the Amazon's wildlife. The howler monkey, also known as the guariba, is a native monkey species of the Amazon rainforest. They live in groups ranging from 3 to 20 individuals, led by a dominant male. Howler monkeys are known for their loud, distinctive calls that can be heard from great distances within the forest. They primarily eat fruit, leaves, and seeds, spending most of their time high in the treetops searching for food and protecting themselves from predators. They play an important role in seed dispersal within the forest, helping to maintain biodiversity. In the Amazon River, there is a rare and remarkable animal known as the pink dolphin. This fish is famous for its vibrant pink color and gentle nature. This species has always had a friendly relationship with humans, but unfortunately, it is now threatened with extinction. The main threat to the pink dolphin is overfishing, while pollution and habitat degradation also contribute to the decline of this species. Conserving the pink dolphin is a challenge that requires the involvement of everyone. Only through collective effort can we ensure the survival of this incredible species and preserve the unique ecosystem of the Amazon River. The blue-crowned motmot, also known as the broad-billed motmot. They are beautiful birds found in the Amazon. They are known for their vibrant plumage and distinctive racket-shaped tails. The broad-billed motmot has an exceptionally long beak. The blue-crowned motmot has a striking blue crown on its head. Digging through the leaf litter on the forest floor are the armadillos. These animals can be observed both during the day and at night when they are more active. They feed on insects, worms, and small creatures found on the forest floor. An interesting fact about armadillos is that, despite their limited eyesight, they have a keen sense of smell that helps them find food beneath the dry leaves. With strong, sharp claws, they dig large burrows for breeding and protection from predators, including jaguars. Of course, for these land animals, the shell is a special feature. It is formed by small bony plates covered by a thin layer of keratin, serving as a protective armor against predators. The hoatzin, also known as the gypsy yaku, is a wild bird found in the Amazon region. They live in flocks and feed on young leaves, flowers, fruits, water hyacinth, and mainly fresh grass. They are beautiful and amazing birds. This forest is also home to the magnificent deer. They are called deer. The maned wolf is a canid native to the Cerrado, but can also be found in the Amazon rainforest. Also known as a guara or guara, this animal is considered one of the most beautiful and rare species in the region. Their fur features shades of red, orange, and brown, giving them a distinctive appearance. They also have long legs, large ears, and a thick tail. The maned wolf is one of the few canids that does not live in packs. This species is naturally solitary and prefers to occupy large territories at the forest edges. Their diet is quite diverse, mainly consisting of fruits, rodents, birds, and insects. Meanwhile, capuchin monkeys, known for their intelligence and sociable nature, also inhabit the Amazon rainforest. Belonging to the New World monkey group, they are found in troops led by a dominant male. Capuchin monkey groups typically include several females and their offspring, forming a complex social structure. These monkeys have a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, leaves, flowers, and even small animals like insects. Their natural habitat provides abundant resources essential for the survival and growth of this primate species. In the next episode, we'll continue our journey exploring the rich and vibrant wildlife of the Amazon rainforest. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss this exciting adventure. Click on the screen now to watch another captivating documentary about rural life and the soothing sounds of bird song that stir the soul. See you next time.